There it is, the first Triumph OEM overall podium. And it happens at Unadilla with Jalik Swall, the guy who they signed and has been with them this year, basically running the team. Obviously, with Evan Ferry being out for a while and then leaving, quitting, whatever you want to call it, moving to his own other program. And with Joey Savacci being not allowed to race Supercross for so long, that guy's basically been the one person pushing this team. And for them, good job. I mean, obviously, I've said it and I'm going to continue to say it. New brands, new teams, new quote, like new factory rides is always going to be good. It's money pumped into this sport. It's bikes that are going to have the support that they need, riders that have the support they need, and it's just going to be a good thing. When Ducati comes with Beta growing as they do, it's just good. It's going to be a great thing. I personally think so. There is a quote from Swole saying, quote, I've been close this year. I've been, quote, a lot this year. I found myself in a lot of positions where I could make a podium happen, and obviously things didn't go my way this year to get on the box earlier. I've always been close, which has kind of driven me all year. I mean, obviously, it's for him, no matter where this team goes, how long it is, he will have the name on the placard. You know, the first podium for a team. It's like when Barsha won for the first time for Gas Gas. It's one of those things that just kind of gets etched in, and whether you stay with them for a long time, you're there for only a year or two, you're always going to be that benchmark right there. Bam. And there's a funny quote at the end of this, and this is from Vermoto, so I'm assuming this is from Swole too. It says, obviously, next year when I get some actual teammates to ride with and everything, I think it will escalate the speed and endurance. I'm really excited for next year and excited to be with the brand. Hmm. I'm assuming that's from Swole, which is kind of funny because he's had teammates. I mean, I'm assuming they've been training with Savachi, so maybe I'm wrong about that, but it's just kind of a weird quote to me. But I don't know, you guys tell me. Do you think they continue on the upward curve? Do you think they sign somebody else, like, or who they're going to sign? Obviously, these are 250 bikes, so they still have the 450 to roll out. And who you think they're going to get for that, or who do you think they should try and go after? Is it a big name like Roxon or Webb, or is it somebody, younger that they're just going to be able to develop with? I don't know. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.